Hello, welcome to CP340, Network and Data Security, lesson number 17. Comply with software licensing requirements. Today we will discuss appropriate planning to ensure remote users do not share connection information to avoid costs or complexity of use, and discuss the importance of tracking software license use and the impact of non-compliance and failed audits. Discuss appropriate planning to ensure remote users do not share connection information to avoid costs or complexity of use. Organizational leaders must understand that compliance requirements trump all, regardless of the where of network access. To protect sensitive information, ensure business operations are carried out seamlessly and connectivity across a wide selection of devices are not compromised. Remote access must be treated as a privilege. Key concerns must be recognized and planned for. Protect remote users' devices. To reduce the chances of malware infection, use security software and practice good computer hygiene by using the latest versions of all applications and installing new security patches immediately. It's risky to rely on workers to take care of updating applications, so activate automatic updates from software makers or use a patch management tool. To mitigate potential damage from a lost device, install whole disk encryption software, which can keep unauthorized people from accessing any of its data. Also, install remote wipe apps on mobile devices so you can erase data if the device is gone forever. Use cloud applications. By using web-based applications to handle business tasks, a small business can let its employees work from any location, while handing off most data security responsibility to cloud service providers who are often better equipped and staffed to lock it down. Create a secure connection to the company network. You could also set up a system to provide remote workers with secure access to your corporate network. Traditional systems include technologies like virtual private network, VPN software, which encrypts remote workers' internet traffic, along with tools that make sure remote computers have security patches installed, are configured correctly, and are monitored for signs of infection. Discuss the importance of tracking software license use and the impact of non-compliance and failed audits. If you are not tracking software license, you could get a notice from the software vendor itself who suspects the customer is not being compliant, or perhaps the company has downsized and must realign its licenses with the reduced headcount. Maybe the company has suddenly grown and can't be sure it actually has the necessary number of licenses for the new users. Non-compliance and failed audits. PCs now must be individually scrutinized for applications that reside on them. Getting tapped on the shoulder by a vendor can mean you now have to buy licenses at list price that you had not planned on. Licensing agreements, essentially a legal relationship with responsibilities that must be adhered to, can render penalties for non-compliance. The actions taken by software publishers vary, like losing a corporate rate or having to pay a fine. In most cases, vendors are willing to arrive at an amicable solution if the customer shows an eagerness to get compliant. Organizations should consider the benefits of a license management strategy, like cost avoidance. Thank you for viewing this video. I hope you found it educational.